Storm Jorge to bring heavy rain and gales as weather warnings come into force. Storm Jorge is set to batter the UK today with as much as 80 millimeters of rain expected fall on the worst hit areas, the Met Office has warned. Recent adverse weather has seen torrential downpours blight Britain, with flood-hit regions warned things are set to get worse. Flooding is possible, as rain is forecast to fall on already saturated ground. Storm Jorge, which was named by Spanish meteorological services, is forecast to track across the northwest of the UK before clearing on Saturday afternoon. UK braces for snow and 70 miles per hour winds as Storm Jorge nears. Evening Standard: the UK is set to be buffeted by 70 miles per hour winds followed by snow as the nation braces for Storm Jorge. Strong winds are forecast for much of England, Wales and Northern Ireland on Saturday, reaching 70 miles per hour in coastal areas and up to 60 miles per hour inland. Flooding along parts of the River Severn, which has reached close to its highest levels in some areas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.